Anyway, guys, Usomizi reveals his on Liema's team. People must do the right thing and vote for Liema, guys. After de-campaigning Thandeka for the past 3 weeks, Usomizi has been talking about Thandeka, saying, oh, Thandeka, she's a bad person. Oh, Thandeka, she doesn't deserve the 2 million rand. You could have said from the beginning, team Liema. There was nothing wrong for him to campaign for Liema, guys. Another person, Usomizi, say we must vote for him. I feel like he's doing this because he's scared of the LGBTQ family, Ilano, guys. He said we must vote for Ilano and Liema, but he's on team Liema, guys. I don't understand this music, guys. Last year, do you still remember when 4 weeks were left, the celebrity like our DJ Zinhle, other celebrities, they were starting to campaign for Sweet Guluva. Wonder what these celebrities, they would do anything to get our attention, guys. From the beginning, they were quiet. Now they can see we are only left with the 4 weeks, guys. Uliema, she has a strong base. I'm not gonna lie, guys. Even Thandeka, she has a strong fan base. But so means that she could have said from the beginning, votela Uliema, guys. There was no need for him to drag Thandeka, talk as if Thandeka a strong fan base. I think like right now, Usomizi can see Thandeka, she's very strong outside, guys. There are 2 songs that are written to Thandeka, guys. When she come out, she's gonna find out yo, I'm doing so well. All the housemates that were evicted, they are saying Thandeka, she's taking the 2 million rent, guys. Not gonna lie, Uliema also has a strong fan base. It's just that this week after the letter she's wrote to Q, guys, even though she apologized, she didn't take accountability. She say those things come from people from the inside their house. You could have said that I'm really sorry, I was angry, I just lost control while I was writing that letter. Simple as that, guys. You can see Uguti, she mean what she say on that letter. So anyway, guys, it is what it is. I wish all the best for all the housemates. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Thursday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.